Let me say something that most people won't tell you. Okay. So your LinkedIn profile is not bad, it's just invisible. So you might have the right skills, you might have the experience, but if your profile is not optimized, recruiters are simply not finding you. And here's the truth. Means the recruiters don't search for hardworking or passionate people. They search using keywords, impact, and clarity. So if your profile does not speak that language, you are getting ignored. And even if you are capable. So in this lecture, I am going to show you how to fix that using AI, not just to improve your LinkedIn, but to turn it into a recruiter magnet. So we'll use a powerful again cloud prompt that will what it will do is it will rewrite your headlines so you actually show up in the searches, transform your about section into a compelling story, okay, and convert your experiences into recruiters that demand attention. And by end of this lecture your profile won't just look better, it will start working for you 24 into 7. So open your LinkedIn and let's rebuild it right away. Okay, so I will come to this cloud and I have the prompt ready. So the prompt is something like this: act as a senior recruiter and LinkedIn optimization expert. Rewrite my LinkedIn profile including headline, which will be SEO optimized for recruiter search, about section compelling result driven storytelling style, and top 3 experience entries, achievement focused with metrics. Okay, and the goal is to position me as a top candidate for what role and industry. I have to mention it here. Apart from that, the instruction are use strong action verbs and measurable impact, number, percentage improvement, results, and include relevant keywords recruiter search for. Okay, and make it concise, high impact, and scroll stopping. So they will stop while they are scrolling. And avoid generic phrases like hardworking or team player. Make it sound confident, not desperate. Okay, and the tone should be professional, sharp, and result oriented. And here we have to paste my LinkedIn profile. Okay, then simply I will just copy these. We'll go to cloud, paste it, and here role we all know. I'll write STET in IT industry, or simply IT is enough. And after that, what I will do is I will paste my link. So simply I will just copy my link from here and I will paste it. And now this AI will do its magic. Okay, what? And I will hit send. Now let's just wait and let AI do its work. Okay. Now as we can see, it has written all the things. So we'll go one by one. Okay. Instead of going everything at once, first we'll go with the headline. Okay, so in headline what it has done is it has created 120 characters and keyword packed for recruiter search. So I'll write senior estate, Selenium, Java, REST assured, Gauge framework, AI augmented testing, 60% faster release cycle, and also it has written NetWest and calls. So which I don't want to show. So simply I will copy till this, copy, and I will also update side by side. Okay, I will click here, and even though if I want I can add here yes playwright. Okay, and I will save this section for now, and if required we'll change it again. So for now we have updated our headline. Now again we'll go back to cloud, and it has written why this works because recruiter searches estate, Selenium, Java, automation test engineer, rest assured, or BDD test engineer will surface you. Okay, the matrices and brand name like NetWest, Coal, signal enterprise credibility immediately. Okay, but I don't want to take credit from them. Now the second thing is about section. So about section it has given as 2600 character limit, which is in storytelling plus keywords plus CTA. Okay, so here it's written I don't just find bugs, I build system that prevent them, and I do it faster using AI than most team do manually. Okay, and over 6 plus years in quality engineering I have specialized in one thing: engineering test automation that actually moves the needle. At TCS, working on NetWest Group core banking platform, I redesigned a legacy regression framework that cut cycle time by 60%, turning a 5-day bottleneck into sub 2 days pipeline. I integrated GitHub Copilot and Cloud to auto-generate the test cases from HLST and LLD documents, and cutting test design effort by 40%. I built N10 AI workflow that eliminates 8 hours of manual QA overhead per sprint without adding headcount. Okay, and the result was zero UAT escape defect on production banking workflows. Three juniors who have now owned their own automation suites, and two back-to-back recognition award for innovation in AI-driven QA. Okay, and what I bring to your team is end-to-end automation expertise, Selenium, Java, REST assured, Gauss BDD, Test NG, AI augmented QA, GitHub Copilot Cloud, Microsoft Copilot N10, GitLab Duo, API and contract testing, REST assured, Postman, schema validation, end-to-end API coverage, CI/CD integration, GitLab CI, TeamCity, Maven, PCF, Splunk-based observation, Agile QA leadership, sprint planning, BDD refinement, means all these things. And at last, it has given a message like, I am currently open to senior estate slash QA automation engineering roles where quality engineering is treated as a competitive advantage, not a afterthought. So let's connect, and below is my email ID. Okay, then simply I'm going to copy it. Nice. I have copied it, and if I show my existing about section, you are gonna laugh. Yeah. Yeah, it's a simple. I have generated it using ChatGPT, but it's not that good. What we say, Cloud has generated. So that's why I'm saying that it's better to use Cloud instead of ChatGPT. Can we make it as bold? No, it will be as it is. So no worries. I will just save it. So now my about section is also updated. Okay. Now let's move to the next section, which is experience section. So I will copy this. I will again go. I'm not going to read that all. Simply I will scroll down. I will click on edit, and here this also I have generated using ChatGPT, but I am going to replace it whatever this Cloud is saying. Okay. So senior automation engineer. Now description. Now it's ready, and I will save it. Before saving, what I will do is I will scroll down. Okay, it is done. I will save this. Now for TCS, my experience is already ready here, and I will show you. Here you can see how best it is looking now. Now 60%, 40% means what are the results now it is showing here. So now it is ready. Now I will update it for Kavzn. So for Kavzn, again I will scroll down. I'll copy it, copy, edit, and I will edit it. And simply I will save this as well. I hope it will be looking good. I'll refresh the page. Now we can see the Kavzn one is also looking good. Now I have this associate software engineer experience, so I'm going to replace that also. Edit. And if you are feeling bored, then you can means change the speed of the video to 2x, and you can have a look anytime you want. And I will save this. So in the same way, you can update your heading, experience, and about section. Skip. Now additional profile tweaks. So what it is saying is we can add feature section, and we can pin our resume in PDF and any automation framework screenshot or demo videos. Okay, and in skill section we can add these skills, open to work, recommendations. So please update all these things, and profile URL, and you can update this additional profile whatever it is suggesting, so that means every section helps you to rank better in the search result. Okay, and you can have a recommendation from your manager or your team lead, so that it has mentioned like from a senior stakeholder outweighs 10 endorsement. So which is a great thing. You can ask them to give you a recommendation. Okay, so that's all about this video. In this video we have learned how we can optimize our LinkedIn profile.